Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Bev and I'm back with another planner related video. So I'm doing my catch-all for the week, guys. I pulled out some washies because I'm doing a Thanksgiving spread, and I found these acorns washies and I said let me use this because the spread has, the stickers have acorns. So I can't believe this is the last week of November. I don't know what's going on around here. So I'm gonna take this out because y'all know I'm struggling with this new setup. If I'm out of frame, my apologies. So yeah, so I think this will go well. I'm using the Happy Year sticker book, and it has acorns and stuff, you know, just a little fall look in there. Because you know I'm a pink girl, so I'm be looking for the pinks and the blacks and the golds and the, you know. I don't have like orangey. Well, clearly I got this washi tape. It's a brown, but you see it still has pinks in there. And I felt like this will be good too. My baby brother bought me these, so you know, the vegetation for the vegetables and whatever during Thanksgiving. Collard greens. This gonna be the collard green washi. So guys, oh, and I found this tropical looking washi from Cocoa Daisy, but I don't know. And I have this washi here. I've used this in a spread before, so you know, and I said let me use this because, you know, we can't really gather, and you know, I won't be going home this holiday season, so it has all the houses on there and everything. So but yeah, I'm using the same stickers that I used in my mini happy planner spread. I'll try to link that video in the cards above for who hasn't seen it. I'm going to put my friend right here because she is so repping the fall. And let me just get out the fall stickers. This one says Thanksgiving. I was like, I can't believe I got a Thanksgiving sticker. Give all the thanks. So So I think these will work. Thank God that I had some good stickers to use. Thankful. And you know, we have to give thanks every day of our lives, not just for some holiday. I'm grateful to God every single day. So I am so happy and excited to make this spread. So I wanted to use some Stella, but I don't know. I'm putting this full faves right here because you know we love a good coat to match our outfit. All the full vibes. I'm gonna put this right here. Get some of my pumpkins going on. Some of this good vegetation. I love this spread already. Oh my goodness. Put a couple apples down. Let's see. That'll work. And now I gotta get Stella, because Stella is my girl and she gotta make her presence known. Alright, Stella? And let's see. Put her here. And then I'm gonna put this girl. Yeah, like that. Look at that. That came out so cute. Yes, I love it. And you know I gotta put some of these acorns down so they can match the washi. Yeah, so I think this spread is done. If you made it this far and you enjoyed my video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Go ahead, click the subscribe button. Also click the bell, click all so you'll be notified when I upload videos like this one. See you in the next one. Bye.